My question kasi is that, tinanong ko kay Attorney Kaufman, ano ang reaction niya sa sinabi ni Secretary of Justice Remulla na allegedly na-destroy na daw yung evidence, kaya hindi na sila makapag-file doon sa local court sa Pilipinas and they're ceding the issue or the situation dito sa ICC. Sinabi ni Attorney Kaufman po na in as far as destroying evidence is concerned, wala pong ginawa si PRRD because that is a criminal offense. Ano po yung reaction ninyo, ma'am, sa statement ni Secretary Remulla na wala na daw evidence? A lot of Filipinos are thinking, if there are no evidence in the Philippines, what kind of evidence will be presented before the ICC?
Gawa-gawa. Gawa-gawa talaga na ebidensya. At yung ibang ebidensya nila, meron din tayong ebidensya na kinuha yon by force or intimidation or harassment of individuals. So, makikita din natin yun soon, very soon.